Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel where I keep you up to date on everything Maryland real estate. Today I'm on my way to tour a gorgeous home here in the Woodmore development of Bowie, Maryland. Hey y'all, it's your realtor Tanika. I'm out here today about to take a tour of this gorgeous home there. I'm so excited. My son here, Christian, is about to get his real estate license. So we're out here today touring some homes in the area just to see if he has any idea of how much these homes are worth. And what I want you to do is in the comments, guess how much you think this home is worth. We're going to take a quick tour, and don't be cheating, because some people go online and they cheat and they look the homes up. What I want y'all to do is put in the comments some things that you like about this home, some things you don't like about this home, and then also how much you think this home is worth. So let's go take a quick tour. Okay guys, this home is located in a cul-de-sac here with other similar homes, about 4 homes in the cul-de-sac there. It is 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, almost 8,000 square feet of space in this property here, 3-car garage. It was built in 2005. As you enter the home, you enter into a nice foyer. And then over here to the left, you have a nice sitting area, your formal dining room area. And then you walk around to the open floor plan for the living room with the fireplace. Over there was the office. I forgot to get a shot of it, but here is the sunroom. And it was a half bath over here. And then the huge family room with huge ceilings there, nice fireplace. Then we head over to the kitchen, or the eat-in kitchen, which is another dining room set there, and a nicely updated kitchen. I do like the kitchen has stainless steel appliances, look like it was nicely updated, and then the second staircase. Now we headed downstairs to the basement that featured a nice, look like theater room that they had set up down there. And excuse the lighting because it's kind of dark there, which is good, you know, for a nice theater room. We also had a full bathroom here in the lower level area. And then also another family room with a wet bar. Stairs to go up outside. We have your nice second fireplace down here as well. And we have one bedroom here over to the right. And it was very spacious. I don't know if you can see by the camera, but these rooms are pretty huge. Also have a bathroom down here, full bathroom. And it was like it goes into the other bedroom, but it was dark in there. Couldn't turn the lights on in that room, so. But it was almost identical to that room. All right, and we head upstairs to the bedrooms. And over here is the primary bedroom suite. And I tell you, this bedroom suite is huge. And like it's a bedroom and probably a sitting area as well. They also had his and her closets on each side. Very spacious. Then I swear the closets were just as big as another bedroom themselves. And we head into the ensuite. We have dual vanities. We had a jacuzzi tub. And a huge shower. we took a tour of 3 additional bedrooms that were on this level, and also the laundry area. And this bedroom here, y'all, could have been an additional master suite, as it has a huge closet and its own bathroom. Okay, that was a lot of house to be looking at. In the comments, let me know what you thought about this home. Would you live here? It's so spacious. And son, what do you think this home is worth?
It gotta be worth like $2 million.
2 million?
Yeah, like
oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Well, in the comments, y'all let me know how much you think this home is worth. I'm located in Bowie, Maryland. This home is like 6 bedrooms, as you saw, 6 bathrooms. It's just massive, huge basement. But if you are interested in this home and want to take a tour of any homes located in Bowie or surrounding areas, just hit me up. All right. And until my next video, take care.